All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Cardano ADA, really understanding what's happening with ADA's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting going further into the week. And speaking about the week, guys, we are about to close the month of November. We're entering the last month of the year, which I'm projecting to be quite a bullish month based off of my personal opinion. But let's take a look at ADA, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So ADA is up 1.2% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at $1.03, which of course is really nice to see, and I'll explain why. So $1.03 as of recording this update, up 1.9% in USD, also up 2.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $37 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.7 billion. But let's shift our focus towards the price, because of course everyone wants to know what's really happening with the price right now, and of course what we could be expecting. So looking at the dominance index, and again, if you watch my regular day-to-day updates, you guys know I emphasize so much on the dominance, and I teach you guys why the dominance index is beyond important. And right now, what we're looking at with the dominance is, dominance is showing us some very, very interesting things. It's not moving despite Bitcoin showing major volatility over the course of the last few days. You're not seeing the dominance index budging. So that is quite a bullish thing to be looking at right now. 58.23% right now. And if you're looking at Bitcoin is bouncing up as recording this update compared to earlier this morning. So, obviously we do still have a few hours left before the daily candle closes for the day. But you are seeing Bitcoin making its way back above $96,000. And I have my fingers crossed that we do see Bitcoin making its way back above $96,000 and close above there. If it's able to do that, I'm very confident we push up, above $97,000 tomorrow morning. If it's able to close the daily candle today. Yesterday, as soon as the daily candle close almost happened, we saw Bitcoin retracing down to the likes of, $94,590. So right now, as of recording this update, Bitcoin is pushing, and fingers crossed, hopefully we do see that close that I'm referring to. And I think that could lead us to have a very, very interesting move over the weekend. But with that said, let's really understand what's happening with Cardano ADA's price. As we know, yesterday, mega news. If you are a Cardano holder, yes, it is big news, based off of the Bitwise the index ETF index that they are launching, and that is huge. And ADA is one of the coins that is going to be part of that index. And of course, that is beyond bullish. And I have said this several different times. We're going to see a wide variety of different products like this. And I'm really, really excited to see what happens. But, Cardano's price is holding really strong right now. I know a lot of people have already, and believe it or not, compared to 2 weeks ago and compared to what we're seeing right now, the interest once again has slowed down, which is really funny to see. People just completely ignore what the price of Cardano has been doing, what the price of Bitcoin, the likes of Algorand, the likes of XLM. These projects have gone up so much this specific month. And people are already losing interest because the price is not continuing to go towards the upside. And if you are kind of shocked at that, let me tell you, 100% there is less people talking about Cardano compared to 2 weeks ago. And that is beyond interesting. They're going to come flocking back. They're going to come flocking back once the price is able to retest the 61 point for the first time and start heading towards some of the 0.50 zone that we haven't seen obviously for a few years now. So right now, again, Bitcoin, hopefully we make our way back above $96,000, see that close. But what we also want to see is, Cardano has been able to make its way back above that key resistance, which we obviously know about. And right now we're sitting above there. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that, we do see that daily candle close above that dollar price point for Cardano here. Let me show you guys right now on the hourly time frame so you can really understand. There we are. We have touched this resistance yet again. And you can see, obviously, we broke below it on the 25th because of Bitcoin. We retested it yesterday. Obviously, it was a rejection. Never really managed to close above here. But this time around, hopefully, we see that close. If it's able to close here today, I think we could see ADA making its way up to that $10 price point quite fast and then start heading towards the likes of the 61.8 fib zone. The 24-hour trading volume has decreased compared to the past few weeks. Like I said, retail interest is lower than what we've seen over the course of the last few weeks, but I think things are about to change quite fast. Pay very, very close attention to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is able to close in the next few hours above that $96,000, I do believe tomorrow could be an interesting day for the crypto markets. Leading us to head towards, obviously towards the all-time high zone for Bitcoin, which of course is going to have a very positive impact on the price of, Cardano. And again, Cardano is looking amazing right now. If you picked up some ADA at the dip level, which just happened just a few days back, you are up right now 17.75%. So like I said, you want to see this close in the next few hours. If it's able to do that, I think we could start making our ways up to, the 25th November highs and potentially even breaking out of that range. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Of course, we'll keep you guys updated. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.